A for apple.
B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nut. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for wash. X for Xmas. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.